it's Amy Scalia of CincyChic with Dr. Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center in their new location in Montgomery. This is so beautiful.
Thank you.
And one of the things that's nice about the expansion is that you have the ability to bring on new technology. And one of those things is this Smartgraft. What's the benefit of this Smartgraft?
Yeah, so no, the Smartgraft is a really neat technology, and but yeah, we are so excited to be in this new space because we had really outgrown our other office. We were there for about 19 years, so it was a little tough to leave, but we're so excited to be here and just offer a better experience to the patients as well, a little more comfortable and a bit more spa-like, but still very medical, of course, and being able to just have more space to put all of our equipment. And we do, I mean, we are the premier cosmetic dermatology center in Cincinnati, so we really like to stay up on the latest technologies. And the latest addition is Smartgraft, because this is a area that we had not previously been able to accommodate our patients with. So we are doing a lot of PRP treatments to help restore hair, especially in those who are experiencing some thinning, and that's for men and women, along with using certain vitamins and other technologies that help to keep your hair healthy and growing. But once you have lost those hair follicles in the area and the dihydrotestosterone has affected those hair follicles and they're no longer going to be able to be revived, then we can use hair transplants to take hairs from those parts of the scalp where the DHT does not affect those hair follicles and transplant them to areas where there is hair loss. And that's primarily on the scalp for men and women. Women are also wanting their eyebrows a little thicker now, so gone are the days of those really thin, pencil-thin eyebrows, and a lot of women have actually plucked kind of their eyebrows out, or for medical conditions like thyroidism and so on, you can also lose your eyebrows. So we're seeing a lot of interest in that. But what makes the FUE really unique compared to the traditional hair transplant method is that instead of taking a strip of hair from the posterior scalp and then ending up with a linear scar that is then visible for your life, essentially. So if you ever want your hair really short, you would see that scar in the back. We're now able to take little tiny plugs, 1 millimeter plugs of the hair follicle, really carefully not to transect, of course, the base or the bulb of that hair follicle. And then the Smartgraft makes it really easy to do that with the technology, and then it also protects those hair grafts and keeps them in a nice, safe environment so that they're the most viable when they're transplanted. And then those hairs are transplanted one by one back into the area of the hair loss. Some patients may only require 500 to 600 grafts. Other patients may require 2,000 to 3,000 grafts at one time. And each graft has anywhere from 1 to 3 hair follicles in it. So, you know, just making sure that we place them nicely, make sure that the shape and the look and the direction of the hair follicles look very natural once it's done. But it's beautiful because it's pretty much a scarless procedure, and the recovery is very quick compared to the traditional method. Even the next day, those little 1 millimeter plugs that are removed close up very quickly, and you can keep your hair short in the future and not worry about people noticing that.
Well, make sure you go to our website to learn more about this technology and more, and come and visit for yourself.